Good day to all. Coach Alvin checking in today on SG Dr. Wellness. With the ever-increasing fast-paced lifestyle many of us face, home-cooked food may gradually become a once-in-a-while affair, where we settle most of our meals at nearby eateries, or maybe some of you might simply be addicted to that economic rice store just because the auntie keeps on addressing you as striker or menu. Well, whatever the reason, eating out has become a staple for many of us. And in this episode, I will elaborate more on tips to make your hawker dishes healthier while keeping it palatable. If you striker and menu have yet subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button now. First and foremost, let's discuss on our all-time favorite, the economic rice store. With a plethora of dishes to choose from, the key here is to pick the ones that are non-deep fried and not processed, such as sausages. Pick two generous servings of vegetables and a meat option consisting of lightly stir-fried or stew lean meat. You can also easily reduce your sodium consumption by avoiding any gravy or just go for a drizzle. And to reduce excess simple carbohydrate intake, simply ask for less rice. Next, chicken rice. The aim really is to increase your vegetable intake. So off the bat, just ask for more cucumber slices or maybe order a bean sprout or xiao bai cai side dish. Opt for chicken breast to maximize protein intake and reduce fat consumption by removing the skin. Even though one of the most unhealthy portion of chicken rice is the delectable chicken fat drenched rice, I think it would be quite unfair to ask for a swap to white rice in this case, as the dish itself would have lost its flavour. So all I can say is to consume the rice in moderation. Avoid drinking the soup base as it is laden with MSG with virtually no nutritional benefits to begin with. Even though we can all agree that the soul of the chicken rice lies in the chili sauce, consume in moderation as it contains quite a fair bit of sodium and sugar. Third dish that we will usually find in hawker centers will be the Yong Tau Foo store. Similar to economic rice situation, pick more vegetables and whole meat, leave the processed ones aside. When picking your noodles, do note that yellow noodles are the most calorie dense. So I would advise to choose bihun or vermicelli instead. Go easy on the sauces and avoid drinking the soup base. So generally, the rule of thumb when it comes to soup-based dishes such as wonton noodles, ban mian, fish soup and prawn noodles soup is to avoid or moderate on drinking the soup base. Not only will it help you reduce your sodium intake drastically, salty food can also make you thirsty and dehydrated. Owing to Singapore's multicultural and diverse spread of food fare, I know I definitely will not be able to cover all hawker dishes in one episode. In fact, my list is just the tip of the iceberg. But to end off this non-exhaustive list, I will discuss one of our absolute favorite of all time, and that is the lip-smacking Prata. Unfortunately, Prata is basically simple carbs and drenched with oil during preparation, which makes it high in fat content as well, and yes, it's a double whammy. And yes, who takes plain Prata on its own, right? The curry gravy and sugar propels its flavors to another level, but so will your sugar and sodium intake. All I can say, moderation is key. Try to consume the dish once or twice a week. There is in fact a healthier alternative to Prata, and that is its close relative, the dosai. Dosai is made from rice flour and ground lentils, and it contains almost half the calories of a plain Prata. Another point worth mentioning would be the drinks. Many of us know that soft drinks are high in sugar and might opt for seemingly healthier options such as fruit juice. But I have to be the bearer of bad news here. The fact is, fruit juices contains almost the same levels of sugar as fizzy drinks, as 1 cup of orange juice is made out of 4 to 5 oranges. Thus, it contains the sugar levels 5 times of 1 whole orange. Therefore, it is advisable to opt for the good old plain water or any non-sugared drinks instead. Alright, we have come to the end of the episode and hope it has helped you to make healthier decisions when choosing your next hawker meal. Till the next time, stay safe and stay healthy.